hello.
Hello.
Welcome, friends. Hello, everybody. Hope you can hear me loudly. Welcome. Okay, friends. So today I am going to talk about inculcating good eating habits and table manners in kids. बच्चे जब छोटे होते हैं ना, तो हमारा मेन कंसर्न यही रहता है कि उनके पेट में कैसे भी करके खाना पहुंच जाए. पर जैसे बच्चे बड़े होते हैं 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, वो खुद से खाना सीखते हैं. And that is the right age to bring some food related discipline in them. जितना जल्दी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे उतना लाइफ लॉन्ग उनके साथ रहेगा. और बच्चों को कुछ भी सिखाना requires lot of effort, patience and time. अभी लॉकडाउन है तो we are getting lot of time with our kids and so we can work upon them. और पूरी फैमिली साथ में है तो that is why all are having their food, lunch, dinner all together. अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं तो साथ में करिए क्योंकि साथ में खाने से प्यार बढ़ता है और पूरी फैमिली के बीच का बॉन्ड भी मजबूत होता है. बच्चे जनरली क्या होता है कि हम बच्चों को खिला देते हैं और उसके बाद माँ बाप आते हैं अपने पूरे वर्क्स के बाद और फिर वो खुद खाते हैं. लेकिन अभी जब हमको मौका है सब साथ में बैठ के खाने का तो देयर आर सम फ्यू मैनर्स विच द किड्स नीड टू नो. तो आई विल बिगिन विद देम. नंबर 1, इंडिया में घर पे जनरली हम हाथ से खाना खाते हैं. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग फूड. हैव यू वॉश योर हैंड्स?
Yes.
एंड देयर इज वन मोर थिंग विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज
Trim our nails.
yes, trimming of nails. ये nails के बीच में जो dirt होती है, जो germs होते हैं, this is very difficult to very difficult to remove. It hardly goes with the normal hand wash. Number 2, when you're eating your food, always try to sit straight and no putting your elbows on the table. Why do we sit straight?
Because it helps in digestion.
Because it helps in digestion. So we'll start. Wow, chaat, your favorite.
Yes.
And stop. Number 3, the first serving should always be small. बच्चे जनरली क्या करते हैं, उनकी कोई फेवरेट चीज होगी ना तो प्लेट में भर लेंगे उस चीज को. अब या तो उनको टेस्ट पसंद नहीं आता या पेट भर जाता है एंड देन इवेंचुअली जो चीजें वो या तो डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं या बड़ों को खानी पड़ती है. सो ऑलवेज टीच देम कि उनकी जो फर्स्ट सर्विंग होगी वो छोटी लो एंड देन आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट सर्विंग यू कैन ऑलवेज टेक इफ यू लाइक इट. ओके, स्टार्ट. अरे डोंट one back, okay? If you don't want, you give it to me. Okay, we'll make some nice chaat.
Yummy.
I have chaat. So evening time, 5 o'clock is the chaat time. What are having? अगर बच्चे अपना खाना या अपना सर्विंग खुद लेते हैं, खुद बनाते हैं, तो उनका इंटरेस्ट जो है खाने में वो ज्यादा बना रहता है. So always take it from the spoon. Take it from the spoon.
Okay.
Yeah. Take it. And like that. Keep it down.
Okay.
Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Don't put it in your hands. Yeah, this way. You put it inside. You will put it inside. Okay. Keep it. Don't put it in your hand. Keep it down. Put it inside. Okay. You want me to take that? Okay.
Cucumber little bit.
Okay. No take from. Okay. These are peanuts. If you're wondering what we are taking, this is cucumber and onions, potatoes. Then we have some chana, boiled chana. I have peanuts, chutney, bhujia, and puri. Okay. You want chutney?
Yes, little bit.
Okay.
Bhujia.
Bhujia. Okay.
Okay, peanuts and milk.
Okay.
Bhujia.
Okay. Wait. Number 4.
Loudly.
You will not start eating till every food is served to everybody. Okay? Once even I take it, then only you start eating. Okay? So I will also take my serving. And we eat together. When we are eating together, you have to wait patiently for everybody to take their servings. Okay. Start. Number 5. No making noise while eating food. Okay? And बच्चे क्या करते हैं, मुंह में पहले तो खाना भर लेंगे और उसके बाद बात करेंगे. तो you should not eat while you should not talk while eating, and when you are chewing, don't make sound. Okay? Arey wait. What do you want?
Cake.
You want the cake. If you want anything, ask the person sitting next to it to pass it. You don't take it, you don't jump from your place, or you don't get up from your place to take the things. Okay? Number 6. If your child wants anything, ask them. Don't allow them to get up and move around while eating. Ask them to ask the person sitting next to the thing, whether it is sauce, whether it is any second serving, whether it is chutney, whatever you want, ask the person sitting next to it to pass the thing. So you want a cake? Okay. You didn't finish it off.
Mama, tasty.
You like it?
Yes.
Thank you. Number 7. Teach your child to appreciate the food they are eating. If you appreciate now what you are eating, what happens is the person, first of all, the person who has taken so much of effort to make that food for you will like it, and they will be encouraged to cook more for you. Okay?
Okay.
Number 6. Teach your child to share the food he or she eats. Parents generally क्या करते हैं, अगर खाना कम है तो वो बच्चों को सब कुछ खिला देते हैं. एक बार दो बार ठीक है, but if it becomes a habit of the child to keep asking from the parent their share, then eventually the child will start taking you for granted. So it is very important to sometimes take their share also. So we eat this. Okay.
Yes.
Don't make noise. Chew with them mouth closed. Go. Are where are you going?
Washroom.
Sit. Don't leave the table till everybody has finished their food. Okay? Number 7. Always finish their food. And if there is an emergency, then take permission and go. That I will return back. Okay?
Mommy, I can go to the washroom.
Okay. अभी लॉकडाउन है ना, तो क्या है कि वी आर गोइंग आउट लेस, चीजों का स्टॉक कम है. So instead of stocking your house with chips, with chocolates, with noodles, with soft drinks, just because your kids are there and they don't miss it, actually you should try to, this is the time when you can try to keep them away from these things. So don't stock these things in the house. Instead you can make some traditional food. ऐसा खाना जो जनरली थोड़ा tedious होता है बनाने में, जो हम जनरली अवॉइड कर देते हैं बनाने में, बट विच इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर कल्चर. अगर हम ऐसा खाना अभी बनाएंगे उनको, एंड इंक्लूड योर चाइल्ड इन द कुकिंग प्रोसेस, उससे उनका इंटरेस्ट भी बना रहेगा. जब आप अपना ट्रेडिशनल खाना बनाते हैं तो उसकी हिस्ट्री बताइए बच्चे को ये समझाइए उसमें क्या न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यूज है, उसमें उसके रिलेटेड कोई अगर आपकी लाइफ की कोई स्टोरीज है वो सुनाइए, कौन से फेस्टिवल में वो खाना यूज होता है, बनाया जाता है वो बताइए. और बच्चे अगर खाने के प्रोसेस, बनाने के प्रोसेस में इंक्लूड रहेंगे तो वो खाएंगे, बहुत शौक से कुछ भी खाएंगे, वो उनको खिलाना इजी हो जाता है. और एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, जो चीज आप अपने बच्चे से करवाना चाहते हैं वो आप पहले खुद कीजिए. आपके हाथ में अगर मोबाइल फोन है और बाजू में अगर खाना है और आप मोबाइल ऑपरेट करते करते खाना खा रहे हैं और बच्चों को ये सिखा रहे हैं कि डोंट यूज एनी गैजेट्स, नो यूजिंग एनीथिंग व्हाइल ईटिंग फूड, तो बच्चा नहीं सुनेगा, वो वही करेगा जो आप उसको, वो देख रहा है आपको करते हुए. सो मेक श्योर you finished. Come, finish your food.
Oh, yes.
Always finish your food, okay?
Okay.
I have talked about many points and I will sum up all the points which I have talked about. So, number 1 was washing hands and trimming of nails. Number 2 was sitting straight while eating your food because it aids in digestion. Number 3 was the first serving should always be less. You can always take the next serving if you like it. Number 4 is when you are eating, always eat with your mouth closed and don't talk unnecessarily while eating. Number 5, if you want something, then ask the person sitting next to that food to give you, instead of you jumping from the place and taking it. Number 6, always give genuine appreciation for the food you are eating. You like it, if you are sure, don't just say that you like it. Okay, you have to be very true in appreciating things. Number 7, share your food. When you share your food, you increase the love, the bond between the person. Okay. Number 8, if you wait for all to finish the food, don't get up the table once you have finished the food. Number 9, if it is necessary still to get up, then take permission and then get up. Number 10, always finish the food what you have taken on the table. Do not leave, no wasting any food, okay? Take as much as you want. Number 11, no using any gadgets, mobile phones while eating. And number 12, always ask your child to clean up the space after eating If required, even ask the child to pick up your plate and keep it in the washing area. Okay? You're taking more. You liked it?
Yes.
Next time you know how to make it. You'll make it next time.
Yes.
I like this cake. You wanted more?
Yes.
You wanted more? You wanted more? Very fun. I hope you liked the session. I hope I was able to provide some useful information. I want to thank GVF. I want to thank all my GVF friends, members and admin Devashish Da to give me an opportunity to speak here. Thank you very much. Done? Right. I'll keep it back. Pick up your plate. Pick up your plate. Say bye.